Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I get this simple protective style that I have been rocking for the last 2 weeks. This is definitely a style that you can wear in a professional environment. Now stay tuned while I get into this tutorial. Okay, so you can tell from the title of this video, this is part 2 of a 2-part video. And in part 1, I did a deep conditioning demo. So here my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned using TGIN deep conditioning mask. The things that you're going to need are aloe vera juice, a lightweight gel, and the star of the show, this TGIN green tea super moist leave-in conditioner. My favorite ingredients in this product are the water, green tea, shea butter, sweet almond and argan oil, honey, and rosemary. You're also going to need this faux pony puff, and this brand is called Afro Beauty, and I picked this up at my local beauty supply store. It is a number 1 in color, and the texture is pretty close to the texture of my own hair. There is a drawstring and 2 hair combs. Okay, first I moisturize my hair with the aloe vera juice from root to tip, making sure my hair is coated with aloe vera juice. Aloe vera helps balance the pH levels in your hair that you may have lost when you were shampooing. I also use aloe vera juice and an oil combo to refresh my hair throughout the week. Next, I go in with the leave-in conditioner. This leave-in leaves my hair so moisturized. This product has so much slip, my fingers just glide right through my hair. My hair strand soaks in all this product, and it doesn't leave my hair with any residue. Next, I do a deep side part, and I do like to make sure the part is as neat as possible because I will be wearing this hairstyle all work week. Then I go back in and put more leave-in conditioner on the ends of my hair, doubling the moisture effect. Next, I use that lightweight gel around the perimeter of my ponytail. Then I smooth my hair down with a brush. And do note, when I do my ponytail, I only wrap the bow 2 times. You don't want to make your hair too tight for this hairstyle. Then I 2-strand twist the ponytail and wrap the hair around itself. Now for the top. I took that lightweight gel, and again I only put it around the perimeter of the section. Then I brushed it all together. Okay, so now I wanted to slow this clip down just to try and show you where I started the flat twist. And as you can see, I started from the back left corner of the section. And so I'm going to flat twist it forward and then down the frame of my face. And then I'm going to finish it off with a 2-strand twist. And then I wrap that 2-strand twist around the ponytail. Now it's time to slay these edges, and with my edges I did use a stronger hold gel because I don't want to have to redo my edges more than twice throughout the week. And then I always tie my hair down just to mold it in place, and I leave it tied for about 15 or 20 minutes. And now it's time for the faux pony puff, and I like to make sure it's fluffed out before I install the piece. Okay, so you just want to place the puff on top of the bun. I don't want to use the string or the comb because I like it to be loose because I'm not going to be taking it down all week. But I do secure it with bobby pins. I ended up using about 10 bobby pins total. And now that everything is in place, I go back and just make sure everything is secured with the bobby pins. And then I just finished it off with a few hair jewels. And so there you go, a nice protective style that is packed full of moisture, and you can wear this style with no takedown for 7 days. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.